Hey guys, this is Maria and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can make 30 pips a day with a simple Forex trading strategy. This Forex trading strategy only uses 2 exponential moving average and is a trending strategy. But if you want to increase your opportunity to make amazing profit with any type of Forex system that you may have, please stay tuned so I can show you my #1 Forex tool to make this happen. So if you are ready, let's begin. What will you need? Indicators. You need 2 exponential moving average indicators for this trading system, and they are used for trend identification. And they are the 10 EMA and 26 EMA. The time frame is 5 minutes and the currency pair is the pound-yen. How does this Forex strategy work? Basically, when the 10 EMA crosses the 26 EMA and goes up, that's an uptrend. If the 10 EMA crosses the 26 EMA and goes down, that is considered a downtrend. We know that the pound-yen is a volatile pair and price can travel on any given day from 100 to 200 pips. Therefore, the aim is not to capture all that price move during the day, but just a little part of it, something like 30 pips, and that's where the 30 pips trading system comes in. You also need to know something called the trader's action zone. Here's the thing. The trader's action zone is a reversal zone. That's where price is most likely to reverse, and therefore this is the zone of buying or selling depending on what the market main trend is at the moment. Remember, you should always trade in favor of the trend. For example, if the market main trend is down, there will be times when you will see price go up. And this is a minor rally in a downtrend market. That price rally is most likely to end in a trader's action zone, when you will see price fall back down to follow the main trend. A similar but opposite situation also happens if the market is in an uptrend. You will see price fall back down, but this downward move is often temporary. As soon as the price hits the trader's action zone, it goes up to follow the main trend, which is an uptrend. This is called trend drawdown. Here is the setup for a sell position in the 30 pips a day system. First, you see the 10 EMA crossing the 26 EMA and goes down. You know the pair is in a downtrend. But wait, you do not sell immediately when the EMA have a crossover. You wait for a retrace. Sell immediately at market when a candlestick crosses into the trader's action zone. This is halfway between the 10 EMA and the 26 EMA. You should place your stop loss at 15 or 20 pips and the take profit target is 30 pips. Here you can see. In here, the 10 EMA crosses the 26 EMA and it starts the downtrend. When the price reverses up toward the EMAs, just like in this candlestick, you sell immediately when this candlestick enters the midpoint, that is between 10 EMA and 26 EMA. And as you can see, the price starts falling down and you hit your take profit. Now this is the buying setup for the 30 pips a day strategy. First, you see the 10 EMA crossing the 26 EMA and goes up. That's an indicator that the trend is going up. You do not buy immediately when the EMA have a crossover. You wait for a retrace. Buy immediately at market when a candlestick crosses into trader's action zone halfway between the 10 EMA and the 26 EMA. And you should place your stop loss at 15 or 20 pips, and your take profit target is between 30 and 40 pips. As you can see, the 10 EMA crosses the 26 EMA to the upside, showing an uptrend. You enter your buy position when the candlestick retraces near the 26 EMA, and as you can see, the price continues to go up and hit your take profit target. As you can see, it's very easy to use this strategy every day in the pound-yen pair. But of course, there are some disadvantages of this 30 pips a day trading system. The first is that in a ranging or flat market, you will have many false signals. If you trade during the Asian trading session, you need to reduce your take profit target to 20 pips because generally the Asian session moves in a range. It is better to trade during the US or London session. The stop loss can be easily hit if it is too close, as the spread on the pound-yen currency pair can be 3 to 4 pips. So when you place your stop loss using this system, you should be thinking about placing it in a place where it won't get touched easily. As you can see here, there are also many advantages of this 30 pips a day trading system. First, the volatile nature of pound-yen forex pair means that profit targets can be easily hit. In a good, strong, trending market, this trading system will work really well. But how do you know if there is a good, strong, trending market? You may get confused, and this is where you can find answers with a great forex tool that is called Forex Trendy. Forex Trendy will tell you exactly which pair has a good trending market, so you can increase your chances of being profit. What's inside the members area? Well, there are no big ebooks to read or complex software to install. You will have live charts of the best trending currency pairs and time frames, audible alerts, email alerts, user-friendly interface. Optionally, you can select or deselect pairs or time frames from the auto analysis and more options. You have a quick overview of the trends on all time frames. And now a special bonus: automated chart analysis recognizing triangles, flags, wedges, and trend lines on 34 currency pairs and all time frames. Believe me, you will not need anything else. You will have the trend direction, the trade pair and the time frame, the trend drawdown so you can see what is the normal price movement of the pair, and you can place your stop loss near this drawdown and avoid the losing trades. And it's very easy. You can use it in 34 pair trading forex pairs, not only in the pound yen. Forex Trendy-Advantages. Forex Trendy is a software solution to avoid trading during uncertain market periods. Instead, pick the best trending pair at the current time. It uses no indicators, but the trend is determined by pure price action. It quickly scans 34 forex pairs on all time frames from minute to monthly. That's 306 charts. Forex Trendy analyzes all the charts for you every second. This way you get the best trending pair and time frame at any time you want. The software runs on a powerful computer, so you instantly get the results online. Therefore, you can use your favorite trading platforms such as MetaTrader, NinjaTrader, TradeStation, and there is nothing you have to download or install. It is very easy to use. The truth is that most Forex systems or robots make money with the trend, but lose money in a choppy market. For example, imagine you trade a system that makes 50% winning trades, but another 50% are losing trades. By following the trend, you will dramatically increase the odds of winning. If you increase the odds of winning only 20%, that will make 70% winning trades and 30% losing trades. This can make the difference between losing or breaking even and winning. In other words, by following the best trend, it can only be better. If you are struggling with the erratic market chaos when the trend direction is uncertain, take only confident trades in the best markets at the current time. You will be the one knowing which one particular, even exotic pair is trending, while other traders wouldn't notice it without this tool. Knowledge is power, and it has a great value too. You will have access to all of this for only $37 quarterly. That's just $3 a week or 60 cents per trading day. And you can cancel at any time. Plus, you have a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you want more information about how to get this amazing Forex tool that works with all systems and with all trading platforms, just enter the link below in the description. It is the first one in there. And if you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Until next time, bye bye.